Hey guys, this is Rishabh, and in this video, we are going to talk about how to approach a tough paper or how to approach a question paper in general. So, whatever may be the difficulty of paper, I always used to see if I can see familiar questions of at least 40 marks. Chances of you not seeing familiar question of even 40 marks is very low because uh, 30-40 marks paper can be tough, very tough, but rest would be at least solvable by an average student as well. So the chances of you not seeing a 40 marks question also is very low. Professional exams like CA are not designed that you will be able to solve all the questions. Always remember this. You only need 40 in that paper and aggregate of 50 in overall group to pass. Nothing more. The tendency to get disheartened when 30 plus marks paper is unknown is a bad reaction to paper. This is how it is meant to be designed. It is a professional exam. That's why passing is still 50%. Another very important thing is don't treat CA final exams or any CA exam like a CBSE exam where you count what you will not be able to attempt. So what used to happen in class 12th, students used to come out of the exam hall and they used to say, Mera, I left 5 mark questions or I was not able to solve this 10 mark question. This is an approach for CBSE exam. Don't treat CA exams where you will count what you were not able to attempt. In CA exam, count what you are able to attempt. Okay, so focus on what you are able to do rather than what you are not able to do. Third, every day in CA final exam, whenever I used to go when I used to go for exam, I used to get stressed a lot. Happens with all. What my mother used to tell me is that treat it like a mock test. The moment I used to think it is a mock test, my level of stress will decline. It helped me a lot in maintaining calm during exam. Fourth point. If the paper is tough, there are very good chances that checking would be very lenient or ICAI might also award bonus or grace marks. I have seen many times that students score the maximum marks in the paper which was the toughest or most unexpected. It happened in risk management paper of November 20 CA final new course. So it happens a lot of time. So if the paper is tough, the chances of the lenient checking or grace marks are high. This is my opinion. Okay. If the paper is tough for you, then it would be tough for at least 90% of students. There is no reason to start feeling bad. Okay. What I have realized lately in life is that exams like CA final are more of a stress test exam rather than knowledge testing exam. Maybe the institute want you to have the ability to endure extreme stress, to be ready to face the stress that you will face in a professional life. If you manage to sail through the tough paper with whatever you know, rather than getting all stressed out and blank, I am sure you will manage at least a 40 marks. So always remember, CA final exams are more of a stress test exam rather than a knowledge test exam. Seventh point, as we all have dedicated a good chunk of our youth to studying and trying to make a career, it is obvious that we tend to expect a lot from ourselves. Don't let this expectation enter the exam hall. No expectation of passing or scoring an exemption. Just enter the exam hall with the aim of giving your best in all the questions you approach. Expectation majorly disappoints you in all facets of life. And the last point is luck favors the brave. If you are brave enough in the exam, even during a study period, I am sure luck will favor you. So this is how I used to approach the tough paper in CA final, and to be frank, I used to find every paper tough. There was no such paper in which I was very sure that I will get an exemption. Okay, so every paper comes tough. And there are lots of paper in which you will feel that I don't think so I would be able to score a 40 marks. But it is not your job to think about how much marks you will score. You might think that you will score very less marks there and you eventually score an exemption. Because what you wrote, maybe you didn't have confidence at the time of writing it. But eventually it turned out right because of your so much hard work. So don't think much about a paper that it is tough or easy. In CA final, everyone gets scared of seeing the paper. I have hardly seen people who say that paper was very easy and I will score an 80 marks. Okay, so be calm and composed, and just try to attempt what you know, and always try to, and the moment you see that you are familiar with 40 marks of question, be very happy, because the chances of you passing in that paper is very high. So this is my approach towards solving or approaching any a question paper in a CA final exam. uh, so thank you guys for watching this video. Subscribe the channel. This is Rishabh signing off.